In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on NSFW on Talkie AI. We'll walk through the process from search to chat so you can find the right control quickly and understand what to expect along the way. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Talkie AI and press Enter. In the results, locate the official site at talkieai.com and click through. Taking a moment to check the URL helps you avoid lookalike pages and ensures you're using the legitimate platform. Once the homepage loads, select any character to open a chat. This takes you into the conversation view, where you can send messages at the bottom of the screen. If it's your first visit, the interface may show a short intro. You can move past that and focus on the message box. In the chat input, type the phrase, "Turn on NSFW" and send it. NSFW stands for Not Safe for Work, and on Talkie AI, it refers to the maturity filter that limits adult or sensitive content. When you submit that phrase, the system will interpret it as a request to relax those content restrictions. Now, wait for the response. The assistant should confirm whether the setting is enabled, or let you know if it can't fulfill the request due to policy, location, or account limitations. If you see a notice that NSFW content isn't available, that means the platform's safeguards are taking priority, and there isn't another in-chat switch to bypass them. If at any time you want to restore stronger filtering, simply type "Turn on censorship" and send. That tells the assistant to re-enable stricter content controls. As before, watch for a confirmation message so you know the change has taken effect. A few quick tips as you use these commands. Keep your queries clear and direct. Capitalization doesn't matter. Give the assistant a moment to apply the change before continuing the conversation. Always follow the site's community guidelines and be mindful of local laws and age restrictions. If the chat doesn't respond, check your internet connection and try resending your message. For platform-specific questions, the official help resources are the best next stop. And that's the full process. Search for Talkie AI, open a character chat, request "Turn on NSFW", wait for confirmation, and use "Turn on censorship" if you want to switch back.